Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to rename folders on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Renaming folders can help you stay organized and quickly find the apps. First of all, find the folder that you want to rename. Then tap and open up that folder. After that, tap and hold the folder name at the top. Then tap on the X icon next to the folder name that will get rid of that folder name. Now then type in your desired folder name. Then tap anywhere outside of the folder tap Done at the top right corner of the screen to save changes. This is exactly how you can rename folders on your iPhone. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.